Hi friends, welcome to Pramesh channel. Today in this video we will be covering the topic of charts group, except for the pivot chart because I will teach you the pivot chart thing along with the pivot table. As of now, I'll tell you about charts. Charts are used to represent comparative data in visual form. For example, this is the table containing names of three persons, person 1, person 2, person 3 along with the product maida, wheat and corn flour along with the sales done by number of sales done by the person. So to apply chart to it, first I'll select a cell in the table and then select the whole table by pressing Ctrl A and then go to any one chart. For example, I'll go to bar chart and then I select this format. So here is the bar graph which shows that a person has sold this much of maida, this much of wheat and this much of corn flour, where blue is for maida, orange is for wheat and grey is for corn flour. Now to make some changes in the chart elements, we have to go to chart layouts, click add chart element, go to chart, go to data labels, so as to add the element of the numbers which are which are showing the exact value of how much is sold, and then selecting data labels, we can put the data labels in the center as well. Next we select legend. Legend can be put on right hand side, which will be clear as of now. And then chart title. Chart title can be edited this way. If chart title is not given, then you can set it from add chart element. For example, this is products. Now here I can change the formatting of the chart. I can change the look of the chart, something in this way. For example, this is the look I want. So I select this and keep this. Or I select this and keep this. Now I can change colors of chart in this way by clicking on change colors here and then selecting a color which I desire, like this. Quick layout helps us to reduce our effort and select a layout which is already there over here. For example, I select this. I go to chart element since I want the chart title and then select above chart for above chart title. There are many chart elements, but these are the most necessary ones, which are data labels, chart title and legends. And now again we go to the insert tab, and if you want to get your work done more easily, then again select the table, click on recommended charts, and this will show you the suitable kind of chart which will be nice for the visual comparative data representation. For example, I select the ones which are recommended over here, for example this one, and then I put it over here. This way you can get a chart easily without taking the efforts to select one. Well, this is the video for today. I know it is a bit short, but I will be covering some more things in detail in the next part, which will be of tables group, in which we will learn pivot table, this one. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.